You know that moment when you catch your reflection and notice the little reminders your skin left behind? Those tiny scars that never seem to fade? Yeah, we've all been there. What if the answer wasn't hiding in another expensive bottle, but in something as simple, as ancient, as turmeric? For centuries, this golden spice has done more than flavor food. It's been trusted to heal, soothe, and restore. Gentle visuals of turmeric roots being ground, soft steam rising from tea. At the heart of turmeric lies curcumin, a natural compound known for calming inflammation and brightening uneven skin tone. When your skin flares up, curcumin works quietly beneath the surface, reducing redness, supporting repair, and encouraging new healthy cells to shine through. And that's why turmeric is more than just a trend. It's nature's way of saying healing takes time, but it's possible. Whether you blend it into a soothing mask with honey and aloe, or sip it warm in tea, letting its magic work from within. Turmeric reminds us that care doesn't have to be complicated, it just has to be consistent. Over time, the skin softens, the marks fade, and that inner glow, the one that says I'm comfortable in my own skin, begins to return. Because true confidence doesn't come from perfection. It comes from how gently you treat yourself while you heal. At AMVital, we believe in that kind of care, where nature meets science and your skin learns to thrive again. Because real beauty doesn't start on your skin, it begins in how you care for it. Want more stories that connect skin, nature, and self-care? Hit subscribe and let's keep glowing together.